I'm Ushoshi. Thank you for your immense love and support in my previous videos. And today's topic is I will make this beautiful hanging. This is a bird nest kind of a thing I made it. And if you want to know how I made this beautiful wall hanging, then please keep on watching. So over here I have a glue gun or a wooden frame and some jute threads. I will wrap around these jute threads around this wooden frame with the help of a glue gun. In the same way I have covered the other one too. So now I have a coconut shell. This looks like a plate, so I will use this as my nest. And over here I have this flowers. These are handmade paper flowers. If you want to know how I make this kind of flowers, then I will give the link in the description box. You can check it out. Now I will make this kind of tissue flowers. For this I will need a tissue and I will cut a small strip of this, fold it into half and then again fold it, and then fold it, and we'll cut like this. And our tissue flower is ready. So for the next I will use this green paper for my leaves. I will draw a leaf shape like this and cut it. Like this I have made 15 to 16 leaves. So for the next step I have this super glue. This is Fevikwik. You will get this kind of small packets for 5 rupees. And now I will stick these two frames in a globe shape with the help of this Fevikwik. Give this Fevikwik in a nice amount so that it sticks well and stays for a longer time. If you are not having Fevikwik, you can use glue gun, but remember it will not stay for a longer period of time. So for the upper portion of the frame we will use the frame's clamp. I will put the washer tightly so that the frame stays in its place. So now I will assemble everything over here. So there is nothing much to say. Just enjoy the music and my creativity. So I have nicely decorated it. Now I will put it into the frame like this and stick it in the same way with the help of Fevikwik, that is super glue. So now I have made a braid out of jute threads. This is around 60 centimeter. I have folded into half. Now I will put the bread through the clam area like this. And I will tie a knot in the open end. Now I will decorate the upper portion of the frame. And over here also I have nothing much to say, so enjoy my decorations and the music. Now I am done. Let's see the final look.
Thank you for watching till the end. If you like the video, then don't forget to hit that big fat thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. If you didn't like the video, you can easily dislike it too. And don't do it, makes me sad. And yes, if you're new here, I upload DIYs and recycling videos every Friday. If you like my work, then appreciate me by subscribing to my channel and hitting the bell icon will notify you whenever I post a new video. I will meet you next Friday. Till then, bye bye and love you all.